Yo guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Ezekiel. You can call me Lampsgraphy. So today is a simple tutorial on how to remove a text from an image. Sorry for the background noise, but you can follow and still understand. So first of all, you have to duplicate your artwork. So press Ctrl J to duplicate your artwork, and now you have to select the lasso key. You can press L for lasso key. Now you have to select where the text is. So select where the text is. So after selecting, you go to color range. Okay, so that is it. You can play with the fuzziness for better selection. Fuzziness. Okay, so press OK. Then you still go to the select, go to modify, expand. You can choose 1 or 2. Press OK. So here's the magic. Go to edit, go to fill, go to the content area. There's a lot of options here, but choose content aware. Press OK. So wait for the magic. Yeah, so we've done it. Use a simple way. Final thing, you have to press Ctrl D to deselect. So spot the difference. You just remove a text from an artwork or image. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so, and I will see you in my next video. Share this video to the number of people you want. Help me grow this channel together. See you soon. Bye.